Welcome guys in a new video. Today we will talk about multi-asset trading strategy. In some points it looks like very difficult, but I will show you what does it mean multi-asset trading strategy. A lot of the gurus of this market and super analysts from the broker company are using this word. Still some people they don't understand what does it mean, so that's why I'll show you what does it mean, the different varieties, and how to trade in the proper ways. Exactly that type of the strategy I'll show you based on the exchange called PRIME XBT, because PRIME XBT it's included already in one platform a lot of the market, so it will be the easiest way, the easiest for the beginners. Of course for advanced they will find their own way how to trade this multi-asset trading strategy, but today we'll talk about this topic. So what does it mean, this multi-asset trading strategy that everyone from these gurus is only talking about? This is the strategy that includes trading from different assets classes. What does it mean, assets classes? Forex, this is classical currency, this is one asset. Stocks, this is another asset. Crypto, this is totally different assets. But some guys, they don't understand exactly, they are talking, but they don't understand exactly what does it mean. So they are talking like this is instrument for diversification when you are trading in the same time different assets. But in reality it's totally different. It's trading when there is some connection between these assets. There is the different classes, different instruments, but every time with them there are some connection. And when you are choosing these instruments, you need to understand. So some instruments, they are correlated. Like as I told you, some indexes and stocks. If S&P is going up, some stock can also going up. Some of them, it's like negative correlation. What does it mean, negative correlation? It's one instrument's going up, another instrument's going down. And third point, it's fully uncorrelated. So all instrument has his own life. So this is the point. And right now, I want to go to my laptop, I'll open PrimeXBT. I want to show you like clearly examples between this multi-asset trading strategy. So guys, I was searching for the quiet place, but as I understand the best place, this is my house. So I came. Right now we'll connect to the platform PrimeXBT and I'll show you what does it mean multi-asset trading strategy and how to use it to make money. But this is the point. What does it mean, classes, assets classes? Sometimes, as I told you, people using crazy words that it's difficult to understand what does it mean, but in their reality they are very simple. So when we're going to the platform PrimeXBT, we'll go click there, you see CFD, crypto, forex. It's calling assets, so it's different assets classes. How to trade between of them, I'll show you one point. So there is some connection between the instruments. I was trying to find for you the explanation what does it mean. So there is some measures, and starting from 0, 1 and -1. So 0, it means that instruments uncorrelated. So every instrument has his own life. One can go down, then another up, then again down. So no correlation at all. When it's closer to 1, it means they are correlated. So as maximum they are closer to 1, these like two instruments, is the maximum they are correlated. So if one instrument going up, another instrument will also go up in the same way. Like we can talk about correlation between like Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's instruments in one asset class, but they are correlated. And right now there is correlation approximately 0.9, so very close to the 1. It's meaning like totally correlated. Then when it's -1, it means that they are negatively correlated. When one instrument is going up, the second one is going down very quickly. I found one very interesting website. It's called theblock.co, where you can find a lot of the different measures, you know. And sometimes what we are doing, we are trading classical things, technical analysis, fundamental. Then when we are trying to find some news, we are trying to find some market analysis, you know, but we don't understand how many other measures we can use in our trading that will help us to generate a profit, especially like that one. And here we can see a lot of the different comparisons, a lot of the different explanation and things with other instruments and a lot of the other metrics. And I found here very interesting point. It's calling BTC correlation. And when we'll expand, we can see here these things that I was talking for you in the beginning of the video. So this is correlation between the instrument. You see 0, it means uncorrelated. So the instrument has his own life. 1 is the maximum correlated, and -1 when this is negative correlated. So if the one instrument going up, another is going down. When it's closer to 1, it means in that point Nasdaq and S&P 500 was very correlated to the Bitcoin. So crypto market is trying to be like regulated one, and American indexes start driving it in some cases. So what is going on in the USA markets? It's pushing price of the Bitcoin also, but mostly Bitcoin prices can make way more regarding the percentages. So we can check, yes, when sit on S&P 500, we can see the price starting going up. We can easily open buy on the Bitcoin. On the same time, we can see a gold. It's negatively correlated, so it was very close to -1, and we opening sell on the gold, and we will make money based on that. Why it's important to trade in the same time in the few instruments? Because in every position you will put a stop loss, and if some position will hit your stop loss, you know, because we are trending, like we are looking at the bigger trend, but you no need to forget that we are trading some small situation, you know. And when we are trading that, of course there is some market how to say in a proper way, that market not ideal, you know. And when we are putting our stop loss, of course it might hit, even after that it will go in our direction. But when we will use, if we'll use like few instruments that will trade for us in the same time, the same tendency, but few instruments, we can get a good profit. So when the instruments it's close to the 0, this correlation, no need to trade at all. If we are talking especially about multi-asset trading strategy, when the situation happened like that, again they are close to the 1, we can easily trade. We are checking S&P 500 and Nasdaq and the gold, but we are trading two instruments, is the Bitcoin, is the gold. Why I recommend to do like that? Because if the American market making some grow of like few percentages, like 2-3%, it's like wow, you know. For the gold and for the Bitcoin, you know that it's nothing. And for us, easy to use this market volatility in the profitable way, so we can close this position and plus and make profits on that. So one more time, when it's close to the 0, we are not trading. When it's higher than 0.5, we start trading. Depends on the situation, like it was especially like that. To give you some short explanation how to check trends in the most easiest way, let us open crypto, and I highly recommend you to use these two moving averages. So first of all, I open charts H1 and two moving averages. One of them has 24 candles calculating, because why 24? As we are using H1 time frame, 24 hours per day market is moving, so average price for 24 candles. And the second one is 168, so it means 168, it's 1 week average price. So when this 24, it's faster moving averages, it's like covering 168, like crossing, you see, like that. So we can see that it's like trend going up. So moving averages is one of the best indicators, but they are very nice for identification situation on the market. So I'm not recommend to use like a basic thing for the entry points, but for our strategy is good, because first of all we will check this correlation. We are trading correlation between the instrument. This is exactly the strategy of multi-asset trading, when in the same time you can trade a lot of the different instruments, you know. Why I'm telling you about PRIME XBT, by the way, in the description to this video you can find the link. You can register here, and with the promo code of TradingClubs you can get some bonuses. But why I'm recommending PRIME XBT? Because it's very easy. Of course, if you're experienced, you have account in some Forex broker company with the good condition for the gold, you have some access to good CFDs and some crypto exchange. But here in one window, it's very easy to do the analysis, and it's very easy to click buy, sell, buy, sell. So that's why you can easily use also this exchange trading platform for this type of the trading. Thank you for watching this video. I hope after that video you will have a clearly understanding what does mean multi-asset trading strategy, and you will include it to your portfolio of the trading and to the portfolio of your knowledge in financial markets. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in our next one.